Anybody can give me the answer, no problem. The basic question in interview process, this is the first step of proceeding further. How to search a job, the basic, okay, step for finding job, basic
On
for getting into corporate world is how to identify, how to search a job. Try, it's so easy. Come on, give me your ideas, no problem at all.
online.
Online, superb. Online, where in online? എവിടെ ഓൺലൈനിൽ എവിടെയാണ്? Try, come on, give me ideas. I'll tell you one thing, it's so easy to give me the answer, no problem. പെട്ടെന്ന് പറയാം, പടപടാ പറയാം ആൻസർ വേണമെങ്കിൽ. But what is the use of knowing that? Get answers from your side. It's so easy, man. Give me ideas.
രജിസ്റ്റർ
Registered.
ചെയ്ത് മെയിലിൽ കൂടെ വരുന്നത്.
മെയിലിൽ കൂടെ വരും. Yes, nice. എവിടെ രജിസ്റ്റർ ചെയ്യാം? എവിടെ രജിസ്റ്റർ ചെയ്യാം? ഓൺലൈനിൽ എവിടെ? നമുക്കറിയാം എവിടെയാണ്. ട്രൈ. ഓൺലൈനിൽ നോക്രി,
വെബ്സൈറ്റ്,
ഇൻഡീഡ്, അതന്നെ വെബ്സൈറ്റ്സ്. ഏത് വെബ്സൈറ്റ്? നോക്രി, ഇൻഡീഡ്, ഷൈൻ, ഗ്ലാസ്ഡോർ, ബെയ്റ്റ്, ഫ്രഷസ് വേൾഡ്, റൈറ്റ്? എത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ. This is what, understand one thing, my dear friends. Whenever you are getting into the corporate, okay, job world, searching to ND, identify the different processes where we can identify, where we can find the jobs. Number one, very important, everybody know that Google, right? Google is the first thing where you can find the job. Google. So what is the second thing? Second, I already said you, job searching websites. Second, what is the third one? Third one is company websites. Every company will have a website there, they will post their job requirements. Correct. Number fourth, come on, social media, forward messages in WhatsApp, Facebook, maybe other social medias. Correct. Fourth one. Fifth one is networking, asking references from your friends, family, friends and the friends, and you can get back to your seniors, your super seniors, you're already working abroad and India, wherever. See, this is what you understand the process. Job searching is an art of identifying your dream job through different variants like Google, websites, job searching websites, company websites, especially your networking, and coming back to another one. What is the last one? One more thing.
social media.
Social media platforms, right? Great. And we have few more like newspapers, but I don't feel now it's so effective to find it in newspapers, your dream jobs. So let's limit our job searching process on these 5 platforms where we'll discuss one by one. You got me? Right? Let's talk about the first one, Google. Right? It's so easy to find, it's easy to find and type accountant jobs in Cochin, accountant jobs in Bangalore, accountant jobs in Dubai, accountant jobs in UAE. So easy to find it out, correct? ഭയങ്കര ഈസി അല്ലേടാ, ഇങ്ങനെ ഗൂഗിളിൽ ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്യാ പടപട ആൻസർ വരും അല്ലേ? But are you sure the job postings are genuine or not? Genuine ആണോ അത്? അത് ഐഡന്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യണ്ടേ? So for that, what we do is we'll just get back to little more better process of searching jobs on job searching websites. നമുക്ക് അത് മെയിൻ സംസാരിക്കാം, because most of the people say like, sir, I'm searching jobs. Where? Job sites. Good. Which job site? What job sites do you know? Can you answer? Can you give me a list of job sites in India? Famous job sites in India. Right? Come on. One or two. It's not matter like you have to give 10, 15. No. Onno rendo madi. Come on, man. Try. Just try. Can you give me an answer? Anybody? എന്താണ്?
Websites alle.
Websites. Yeah, job searching websites. You can also give the name of applications. No problem. How many of you heard about Naukri? How many of you heard about Indeed? How many of you heard about Shine? How many of you heard about Monster? ഞാനിപ്പോ നാലഞ്ചെണ്ണം പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. When you talk about India, we have few job sites which are working very well, and the people are getting jobs registered in their websites and finding their dream jobs, going to the interviews, getting jobs. Please identify top 2 or 3 sites in every place where you want to work. For example, if you want to work in UAE, for example, if you would like to work in UAE, just find it out. What are the top job searching sites in UAE? You go to UAE, you go to Google and start asking Google what's the top sites, top job searching sites in UAE. Then you will get an answer. Maybe you may get answer like Naukri Gulf, and you get Indeed, Gulf Indeed, and you get the Monster Gulf. You have you also have Bait. You heard about Bait, right? Bait is like very effective, okay, job searching website for Middle East jobs. If whatever the information I'm giving you, please make sure register that information in your brain and start working after the class. It's just a lecture I'm giving, it's just a talk I'm giving you. I'm not asking you to practice now. I'm asking you to practice after the class. Listen to the class, then go back, do research, do search in the Google, and you have any questions, doubts regarding it, come back to me, ask me in the next class, no issues. Right? Make sure, my dear friends, please do have an account in job searching websites. For example, Akhil, where would you like to work? Which
UAE.
country? You already said me yesterday, sir, I would like to work in UAE, Dubai. He said very specifically Dubai. Then go Google and find it out and do some research. What is the top job searching website in Dubai or in UAE? Create an account in that using simple email ID or your phone number. You can create an account, register your account, give your details, upload your CV, deal over, find your jobs, apply for the jobs, go interviews. As we have interview training, how to prepare for it, the next videos, next classes we're going to talk. Correct? Make sure the best way to find jobs, job searching website. You understood concept?
Yes.
Anuj, are you fine? Okay.
Yes.
Got it? മനസ്സിലായോ?
മനസ്സിലായി.
ജോബ് സെർച്ചിങ് വെബ്സൈറ്റ്സിൽ ആ കൺട്രിയിൽ എന്ത് ടോപ്പ്, ഏത് സൈറ്റ് ടോപ്പ് ആണ്, അതിൽ നമുക്ക് അക്കൗണ്ട് വേണം, അക്കൗണ്ട് ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം, എന്നുള്ള CV അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യാം, ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് ഫിൽ ചെയ്യാം, ജോലിക്ക് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാം. Got it?
Got it.
Yes.
Yes. Let's move to the next one. Next one we'll move company websites. It's very important. Most of the people will ignore this find of this way of searching jobs. ഒരുപാട് പേരുണ്ട് ജസ്റ്റ് വെറുതെ എന്താ പറയണ്ടത്, നീ ജോലി നോക്കിയോ, ആ സാറിനെ നോക്കി, ആ കമ്പനിയിലെ വേക്കൻസി ഇല്ല. How you can say there is no vacancy? How did you come to know? Sir, I find in Indeed, I found in Google, no, I didn't find any opportunities. Maybe you may have a chance to find it on company websites. The companies will have their own websites. Every company will have a website. There they may give a notification of next recruitment. You may also get information from there. This is the other process of searching job. Manslayo? Got it? Now let's move to the next one. As I said you, social media. Before talking about social media, I would like to introduce one more important place or the online internet site where the people can find better job opportunities. For example, do you know there is a website for InfoPark? എത്ര പേർക്ക് അറിയാം InfoPark ഒരു വെബ്സൈറ്റ് ഉണ്ടോ? Yes, we have. And same like that, we have websites for Technopark. Same like that, every city, like Bangalore you take, Ahmedabad you take, Hyderabad you take, Kochi or Trivandrum. In Kochi and Trivandrum, we have two parks, two IT parks. One is InfoPark, the second one is Technopark. Technopark and InfoPark will have a website. Go to that website. I'll just show you now. Everyone, have a look on the screen. I just showed you. Let's move to the example. Okay. Go to Google. I hope you can see the screen. Screen കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ടോ? Now is that okay? Can you see the screen now? I hope you can see the screen. Yeah. Let's go to Google and let's find it out. I simply go to Google and I'll just type in the Google InfoPark jobs. That's it. I have done nothing, right? InfoPark jobs. So I'll be taken to the InfoPark website. In InfoPark website, you can also find, okay, company, job search. Go to the job search, please. Simple logic. It's so easy, right? Etra simple ആണ് ഇത്. കണ്ടോ? എത്ര job opportunities ഉണ്ട് കണ്ടോ? For example, I would like to become a testing engineer. Maybe I'll type like testing. Simple. See this? Testing engineer jobs, testing engineer, QA tester, testing engineer, manual texture and with e-commerce experience. You see this? No, maybe like I would like to become an accountant. Like let me search accountant jobs. ACCO. Simple. No need of typing full number. Just type accountant manager, internship accounts, non-paid, accounts manager, digital marketing. See, this is the logic of finding out your jobs. Don't depend on the consultancies, my dear friends. Don't depend on consultancies. You have potential of searching your own jobs. You have potential to find your own jobs. Apply for the jobs. Get the job. I'll tell you, don't waste money on going consulting the consultancies, paying the broker fee. They'll also find the jobs on online. Maybe they might have one or two dealings with the HRs. That's it. But most of the HR firms who are having a third party recruitment, they'll find you the jobs from online and they'll just refer you. For that referring, they'll charge you 500,000 rupees. Waste of money. Same Technopark, same type of website you will have. You can also find in Hyderabad, you have a cyber city. Maybe you may have a website for that. You can also find jobs there. Most importantly, never depend on others for job search. Only in exceptional cases when you go for networking. I'll talk about it later. Now tell me, have you got the information? Clarity? Finding out the jobs, Google jobs. Number 2, job searching websites. Number 3, company websites. Number 4, IT park websites. Number 5, I'm going to talk next. Social media. Join the groups. We have job groups, Ernakulam jobs groups, maybe Kerala job groups, All India accountant job groups. We have groups of, okay, you can join the groups and you will get the information. Make sure, double check before applying for it, because in social media, you can't believe anything blindly. So before that, you can check the information and apply for the jobs. Sometimes you will get forward messages on WhatsApp, maybe on Instagram, maybe on Facebook. Most of the thing, you can see that, right? Make sure is that genuine or not. Read the comments below and see the people experience where they applied, if somebody got cheated by them or not. Like, better. But make sure first 3 whatever I spoke will be more genuine than compare with social media. The last one I would like to talk is networking. So what is this networking is about? Before talking about this networking, I would like to talk about a simple concept where we have, okay, tomorrow's class or day after tomorrow class, okay, which is LinkedIn. You heard about LinkedIn? A professional social media networking site where you can find jobs, you can connect with the HRs, you can ask for the references, you can ask for the job opportunities, okay? How to make your LinkedIn profile, how to build your profile, how to build your networking, everything. I'll be talking in LinkedIn class. But now, when I come to the networking, is nothing but making friends in your domain and asking them for a reference to get a job. For example, your senior who is already working in Dubai. Akhil, can you ask your friend for a reference? Bro, can you find out me a job? Bro, can you refer me a job if you know any opportunity? can ask, right? It is not a crime. Asking for opportunity എന്തെങ്കിലും പേടിയുണ്ടോ? എന്ത് പേടി? ചുമ്മാ ചോദിക്കുക. Same like this, you can ask your relatives. You can also contact your friends, maybe your faculty, maybe your teachers, maybe your trainer like me, you know. You can ask for the reference, no problem at all. That's called network. More than this, networking may, you know, go to the next level, like having stranger friends, Facebook friends, common friends. Maybe he might be working in a HR firm or an accounting firm. You can also ask the reference as you want to get a job. Or no. Reference means likely like nothing but like they are giving just information that there is an opportunity in a company. They're not referring you to like go and join there. They are giving an information. ഒരു information നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ട് അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ. അവിടെ ഒരു ജോലി opportunity ഉണ്ട്. Okay, fine. Then go there, apply for the job, get the job, go for the interview, right? This is all process. Hope you understand the topic of identifying jobs or searching for the jobs. Do you have any questions regarding this? You can ask me. Just I gave a lecture, simple lecture. If you have any questions regarding the topic, you can ask me now.